video I will guide you how to get Tiki token. It will be give maximum profit in near future because it has a different infrastructure when compared to the HODL token, because HODL token we need to claim BNB rewards manually, so the network fee will be charged. So in the Tiki token it will be, they provide the BNB rewards automatically, so we don't need to claim every hour. So in here, hold Tiki, earn BNB. In here the biggest BNB reflection token, the BNB token, and in here you can see it is listed on the CoinGecko also. It has a good vision and anti-whale system, and also you can be earn BNB in every 60 seconds. Your BNB will be received. So in here 5% is go to the liquidity pool, anti-dump block, and 3% sell fee. You can see all the details in the Tiki token finance. In here I will guide you how to buy the Tiki token, and here you can see the roadmap of the Tiki token, and it's the Q2 pre-sale launch and liquidity locked, and also in the Q3 it is more improved the Tiki token infrastructure, and also in here Q4 you can see the listing on SEX exchange. So to buy the Tiki token, move on to the Trust Wallet. Go into the Trust Wallet, go to the PancakeSwap. You can also buy using the PooCoin app. I have guide you how to get the token using the PooCoin app in the previous video. Go to the PancakeSwap and select the currency and click Tiki token. After that, enter the amount of Tiki token you want to buy. In here I will, example, I will buy 500 Tiki token. After that, click swap and confirm swap. After that, approve the transaction, and you will be get to the Tiki token in your wallet. After that, in the next step I will guide you how to go to the Tiki token dashboard and see your BNB reward statistics. After that, you can see the amount of Tiki token you will be received, you will be buy. After that, go to the DApps and go to the Tiki.finance. After that, go to the Tiki token.finance, Tiki token.finance website. After that, you will be redirected to the Tiki token finance website. After that, switch to the smart chain. After that, you can see that official website. Click on your dashboard. After that, in here you will be redirected to a Tiki token dashboard. In here you can see the Tiki earnings manager, and also you can see all the details of the Tiki token finance, and you can claim the token. After going to the dashboard, you can see your Tiki token holdings and total BNB you earned and last payout. And also in here I bought the Tiki tokens now, so the last payout is not given. So every 1 hour they are processing the BNB rewards to your wallet directly, no need to claim manually. And also you can reinvest with only 5% by tax, and also my payout is processing now, so it will be received in near 1 hour. So you can also go to the recovery page also, and you can see the claimable balance and other details in this protocol. This is good project, and Tiki token in the dip now, so this is the best time to buy and earn massive profit in the Tiki tokens. Watch my previous Hello token airdrop also, and watch my how to find the gems in crypto using the PooCoin app, and there is a PooCoin app tutorial on the crypto tutorials playlist. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future profit videos. Thank you.